The next idea that we're going to be talking about is the polynomial. Polynomials are specific functions that have this form. F of x equals a0 plus a1x plus a2x squared plus some other terms in between plus an x to the n. Now, all these guys, a0, a1, a2, and an are coefficients, all right? So a0, a1, a2, and this continues on all the way up to an. These are called the coefficients. And these are basically constant numbers like 1, 2, 3, but also they could be 0.5, 0.6, and even negatives, all right? Each individual part here, the a0, the a1x, a2x squared, and so on, these are the terms of the polynomial. So a0 is a term, a1x is a term, a2x squared is a term, and so on. Okay, now, this very last one, the an to the xn, the highest power of the n, actually gives us what is called the degree of the polynomial. So the degree is n. It is the highest power of x that you can see in this write-up. This guy right there is called the leading term. And if you focus only on an, this is the leading coefficient. Polynomials pop up everywhere, and they are the basic tools for us all the way up to Calculus 3. Let me put down an example of a polynomial. Something like this. F of x equals minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 is a polynomial. And notice in this one I wrote them in a decreasing order of powers, x squared, x, and no powers. Here I wrote it in increasing. That's not something really important, but it kind of makes sense to either write it in a decreasing order or an increasing order every time you're trying to present it.